Ski mask down nearly 10%. Is this time to sell or buy the dip? Let's talk about it, guys. But first and foremost, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. Guys, I've been covering ski mask coin for a couple of weeks now, and it looks pretty bullish and some exciting stuff. I kept saying to myself and to the audience that I would wait for a dip before I load up, and this may be that dip. This coin's officially sub $200 million market cap. It is pretty much at its 30-day bottom. Okay, not really because of pump, but it's basically at its new all-time low since its big pump, right? Actually, no, I think it dumped a little bit lower before. Yeah, it dumped a little bit lower before, but the point is, it's dumping, right? We're down nearly 34%. This could potentially be a great entry point for this project, especially for those who believe. The potential of this project is going to be listed on Coinbase is very high. It's like very high likely. And also, this could be a top dog themed token on the base network, right? So we factor in a couple things. We're at sub 20 cents. We're at sub $200 million market cap. If it hits $1 billion market cap, like Brett's, which is also on base chain, we'd be talking about more than a 5 to 6x. We'd be routing this from 18 cents to $1. That's what I like to hear. Meaning, if I throw $1,000 at this today, there's a potential when it hits $1 billion market cap that I turn that 1,000 and to like 5.2 grand, 5.3 grand, and potentially even higher, right? Again, it could be 5.2 grand if it hits a $1.2 billion market cap, which is what Brett was currently sitting at, right? I think it's a bit down now, but that's what it's sitting at one point. But there's a ton of updates and news I want to cover in this video, guys. But before I do want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. I also want to make a massive disclaimer, guys. I keep getting tagged in tweets for ski mask dog airdrops, Pengu airdrops, and a lot of trusted process airdrop. Guys, a lot of these airdrops are fake. Anytime you get a notification, I can actually show you guys my notification tab. I just want to show you, like, it's fake, right? It looks really real. Trust the process, but it's not the actual trusted process, right? So click on it. And when you go to the profile, you'll see like, okay, this account's restricted, right? But your first step would be to see if you're following it, right? Follow the meme coins you believe in, right? Like I actually follow the real trust process, so that's how I went to verify. The worst thing that can happen is you join a claim portal and boom, you get rugged, right? So just a little disclaimer. Thought I'd just put that out there. All right, so rule 1, mask stays on 3 hours ago. The GOAT is to win, not act like you are winning. Scottie Pippen, okay? And then we see a whole thread, and this is where some bullish things come in, okay? So currently speaking, base coins are on fire, and Ski Mask Dog is a top base coin, right? And Wrecked Fencer, a notable crypto investor, has put Ski on his top 10 list, okay? Let's go into it. So some experts say altcoin season soon, others swear it's nowhere in sight, but they're all missing the biggest pattern. We've spent over 1,000 hours dissecting every past cycle, and here's what actually is coming next, okay? So before we dive, okay, we don't need to read that. BTC has hit all-time highs to 108,000, but altcoins are still lagging behind, okay? Since 2017, the market consistently flowed in this pattern, as we see the pattern over here. If history repeats itself, the current dip is the last chance to buy altcoins before it goes parabolic, okay? And then here are the top 10 altcoins to buy. He mentions Drift, he mentions Per, he mentions Sundog, which again, very popular, AXL, Mina, and then Ski at number 6, okay? Ski Mask Dog market cap $230 million. It's actually down. It's like 193 right now. And price at 23 cents. The price is currently sitting at 18 cents, okay? And this is on his top 10 list, right? Now, I'm not saying just copy his trades and just do whatever he's saying, but it's impressive to see that Ski Mask is building a cult-like community, and other creators and investors and traders are talking more and more about Ski, and the community is getting more and more bullish, okay? Buying Ski is like taking a leverage bet on ETH. If you expect ETH to 2x, 3x, 4x, you can expect base meme coin Ski to multiply in 10x, 15x's, and 20x's, okay? So looking very, very bullish. Ski is getting listed on Coinbase. Next week will be massive for Coinbase. They post, okay? So no confirmation yet, but looks like that's coming. We see guys talking about Ski. The whole community is just getting very excited over Ski and talking about how it could potentially be the next big dog coin, especially on base. It is a top dog on base, so we expect it to only go up from here. They've been putting up billboard ads in Times Square. The community is getting very, very bullish, and I love what's going on here. And more importantly, I think I'm loading up on this dip. But guys, like always, remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Now that pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.